There once lived a young man named Hamza, 25 years old, handsome, humble, and quietly burdened. Dressed in a simple shirt and trousers, with his eyeglasses resting on his nose, Hamza was tired of his poverty-stricken life. He had tried everything, finding jobs, starting small work, but nothing worked. One hot afternoon, with a heavy heart, he sat under a lonely old tree on the edge of a quiet village. His eyes filled with tears. He felt broken. What he didn't know was that someone was watching him from above, from the very tree he sat under. That someone was Neelam, a beautiful, mysterious girl with long white hair and fair skin, dressed in a traditional shalwar kameez. She was not just any girl. She was a witch, but not an evil one. She was lonely too, and when she saw Hamza crying, her heart softened. That night, while Hamza slept, Neelam entered his home silently. No one could see her. She whispered blessings into the air, and in the morning, everything changed. Hamza got a job, a good one. His mother smiled after a long time. Their home, once quiet and sad, now echoed with peace. But Neelam kept visiting silently, watching Hamza from corners, following him without being seen. She was falling in love, deeply and painfully. Soon, Hamza's mother began thinking about his marriage. She wanted to find a good girl for her son. When Neelam heard this, her heart shattered. That night, for the first time, she appeared in front of Hamza. He was shocked. She looked human, beautiful, but strange, too perfect. She told him everything, how she had helped him, how she loved him. But Hamza, he stepped back in fear. He ran to his mother and told her everything. His mother was scared too. She called an old spiritual healer. He came and tried to fight Neelam with prayers. But Neelam didn't harm anyone. She only cried. Still, the healer ran away, afraid of her power. Hamza, now confused and fearful, told Neelam to leave. She looked into his eyes one last time, smiled sadly, and said, "I never meant to scare you. I only wanted to be loved." And with those words, she vanished. No smoke, no sound, just the wind. Days passed. Hamza tried to move on, but every time he sat under that tree, he felt her presence. Her memory became a quiet companion to his soul. Then one day, while sitting beneath that same tree, Hamza whispered, "If you can still hear me, I forgive you." A soft breeze blew. A white dupatta floated down from the sky and landed on the tree's branch. Hamza smiled through tears and looked up. She was gone, but her love remained.